ओके थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ ना, थोड़ा सा पीछे आ जाओ, थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ।
पहले बाल सेट कर लेता हूँ।
Okay.
Do I look sleepy?
Yeah, you look sleepy. You look like you've just woken up. Okay. Look interested. Look excited. Smile. At least smile. Okay. You just keep smiling throughout the video. That is enough.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Let's go down.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. I'm Akriti, and I'm finally doing the boyfriend tag. I feel like it's very 2015 2016 video concept, but I haven't been able to do one then, so I'm gonna do it now even though it's 2021 technically. So do you know what boyfriend tag is?
No.
You don't know what boyfriend tag is? Have you never watched one? By the way, I think I should introduce you first. So this is Nikhil Mohan, and yeah. Do you have to? What else do I say?
Say something about me. Why?
Okay, and this is Nikhil Mohan. Oh God, we are so awkward. How are we going to pull this off? ठीक है, so guys, let's start the boyfriend question tag. क्या है ये? Boyfriend question tag? Boyfriend tag, sorry, boyfriend tag.
Yeah.
Nikhil, who is my celebrity crush? जल्दी जल्दी आंसर करना, इतना टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास।
अरे वो जो कटरीना से शादी कर रहा है।
शादी कर नहीं रहा, शादी हो गई उनकी। विकी कौशल।
हाँ, विकी कौशल। Yeah.
Okay. Nobody else?
Ex is Suraj Pancholi.
Okay, ex celebrity crush is Suraj Pancholi. क्या?
Yeah.
Okay. I have to answer for you. Who is your celebrity crush? Because I don't know. Disha Patni.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, where do I shop my clothes from?
Zara, H&M, Myntra.
Okay, where do you shop your clothes from? Any store. He is not specific about brands at all. Shall I tell them the Zara's pant story?
No.
I will tell them the pant story. मैंने
No.
Okay, fine. What town did I grow up in?
Ranchi.
Only Ranchi?
Hyderabad.
Only Hyderabad?
Bengaluru.
Okay, you grew up in Bangalore.
Yeah.
Okay, would I rather write a poem or sing a love song to you?
Love song.
Okay. Oh, by the way, I answered na. You would do neither.
Definitely not.
Yeah. What color are my eyes?
Black.
Are you sure it's
Like
black?
a grey black.
Gray? Shade of brown?
Yeah, shade of brown black.
Brownish black.
Yeah.
Yours is black.
No, mine also is.
Yours also is brownish black. Okay. What is my weird behavior? I have so many, Nikhil. I have so many. Come on.
Yeah, you have some. Your weird behavior is you sniff everything.
I sniff everything.
Literally everything.
Okay. Your weird behavior, na? Your weird behavior is thinking.
What is that weird thing?
Thinking. I don't think you have any. Like you have very annoying behaviors. You know, like बहुत सारी चीजें annoys me.
Okay, next question.
Okay, do you think you have any weird behavior that I don't know of? Very important thing I should find out. नहीं ना? ठीक है. Moving on. What are the 3 favorite things I like about you? मतलब I like about you. You have to tell.
My patience.
Mm-hmm.
The way I care about you. Yeah, the way I take care of you.
Okay, and the third one?
हो गया ना 3.
दो ही हुआ.
तीसरा, you think I'm cute? I don't know.
You don't know why. You are cute. Okay. ठीक है. Now I actually don't know why you like me. I'm really, मैं बहुत हूँ झेलने के लिए. So, but I'll still assume. ठीक है. You tell me if I'm right or wrong. Again, caring वाला तो I think is mutual ना. I think I take more care of you than you do for me.
Definitely.
तो caring thing. I think that's the only thing. Okay, what else?
You're a happening person.
Oh,
Which I'm not.
happening! Oh yeah, you are not happening. Sorry.
You make me learn new things.
I make you learn new thing.
Yes.
Okay, I'll take that. Would you like to meet my parents?
I'm a pro. I did it already.
You did it already many times at this point, no? He has already met my parents. I've already met his. Briefly, not as many times as he has. But it still counts now.
Yes.
Okay. Do I often make you angry?
No. I have too much of patience.
He has patience. Talk loudly. Can you please talk loudly? A little bit.
Yeah, you don't make me angry.
Okay, I don't make you angry. No, I of course make you angry. Do I often make you angry?
No.
I don't. I don't really.
Yeah.
Okay. My answer would be yes, you make me angry. Very often. Like literally, I'll tell you guys a short mini story.
No.
I ordered a few things from H&M. let me explain. Okay, I ordered a few things from H&M, but for some reason they were not delivering to my pin code, so I ordered it on his address. And I wanted to wear it today because we are going out. And I reminded him twice that please लेके आ जाना भाई, तू लेके आ जाना, मतलब भूलना मत. He calls me up. He's like, hey, I'm on your way. I'm like, okay, are you getting my H&M parcel? Oh no, I forgot. Like ऐसे मतलब ऐसे क्यों ऐसे क्यों करना है? इस चीज में क्यों मजाक करना है? It annoys me. How would you describe the way I smell? Jaldi, Nikhil, jaldi, rapid fire round.
Lavender.
Hey, I'm not as boring as lavender.
Skip that.
He's whispering, I don't know the smell types. Skip that. Okay, so let's skip that. This is interesting because do you remember the first thing I said to you? I'm also trying to think. Like in person, the thing is we started talking.
In person,
We started talking on text first.
This is Nikhil. Oh.
Yeah, I remember. It was in microbiology class.
You were washing your hands.
I was washing my hands and we were already talking, like we were already chatting, but I hadn't seen him. Like I didn't know who Nikhil Mohan is.
You are not chatting with me. It was in the class group where I was replying and you know this guy.
Okay, yeah. I don't think we had started chatting, but like, so basically I got to know about him in class group ऐसा कुछ, and then I was like अच्छा ये बंदा कौन है, अब तो पता लगाना पड़ेगा. And then I was washing my hand, I think microbiology class में, and he came up to me and he was like, hey, no, you called Aditi as Akriti. And I was so mad. I was like, how dare you? I still remember being really offended, but I just like sucked it up and I was like so yeah guys, that is answer for both of us. What is my shoe size? You better know this, Nikhil Mohan. You better know this.
6'7".
You think this looks like 6'7" to you?
8.
My shoe size is 5/38. Yours is 10/11. उधर देखना, camera is there.
9/10 है मेरा.
9/10 है. This next question is very important, huh? I really want to know. Why do you think you were attracted to me?
An excuse. Then I got into it.
news to me. Are you serious?
No. Started as like a crush.
Started as a crush. Okay. And then?
Then it got serious.
Then it got serious. ये क्या answer है? The question is, why do you think you were like you have to tell like a triad like something कि हाँ this attracted or something.
Why I fell for her? She was all silent, very traditional type. That's what I saw. Turns out it's not.
Okay, I will answer that. So firstly, silent wala to is because we were all new college. Everybody knew. I didn't know anybody, and
I wasn't silent. She.
okay, hold on. So I'm not an extrovert like you, as in like I can't make friends instantly and start talking to them. So I'm silent when I don't know people, and that's why I was silent. Number two, traditional, because college शुरू होने से पहले I had gone to West Side with mummy and I had shopped like a lot of kurti tops from West Side. So I was just wearing all my kurtis. So hold on, so you thought like I'm like a very traditional Indian sort of personality, na? And then I'm sure you got a culture shock later जब I turned out not to be one.
You're not Indian. Yeah, simple girl.
अच्छा,
beautiful.
simple he means.
Simple girl, beautiful, innocent.
What is my best feature?
Your eyes.
I thought you would say my nose.
Oh,
Both. Okay, okay. What is your best feature? Your hair.
you love my hair.
Yeah, I really like your hair. I like the volume. I like the coarseness of your hair.
I hate it.
Hmm?
I hate.
You hate it, but I like it. Okay, with Nikhil, this is important because I really want to know if you know this or not. Which is my favorite type of clothing? Hello. You
Favorite example?
like for example,
Plazos.
okay, you mean culottes.
Okay.
Yeah, actually I'm really into culottes right now. Like I really like how comfortable it is. It makes you look all feminine and nice, and
She
you're
wears
not
all
restricted.
baggy kind of stuff.
That's not baggy.
Kind of. That's baggy.
Okay, so basically relaxed you mean to say,
Yeah,
which is true. Good. What is your favorite type of clothing? You actually don't have a style, sadly. I style you, so I'm like telling him you wear this with this, and anytime he has an important event he calls me and he's like, okay, I have this one clean and all ironed up, what do I pair with this? So you really have no favorite as such. It's just me who helps you with styling. So
Yep, true.
okay, next question, how long have we dated?
7 years.
Yeah, 7 years. What is the first thing I wish you didn't do? You know that about me, like something I tell you all the time कि I wish you changed this about you. What is it?
Chopping my hair.
Yes, but like I'm talking about personality trait.
Ooh, personality trait. Think before you talk.
Yes, yes. His words can be really harsh sometimes. Okay, you have to answer about me. What is the first thing you wish I didn't do?
The one day no talk condition.
No, I think you are wrong. You hate it when I disconnect call on your face. You hate that. Right?
When she fights with me, she disconnects the call. Very bad.
I think everybody does, but this sir over here does not understand the concept that it's normal. And then he gets... So basically we would fight on something he did wrong. I would be mad. I would disconnect the call. And then he would go mad on me that I disconnected the call. And then he would completely forget that he said something bad to me and that's why I'm hurt. And then I am the one chasing after him saying, hey, hello, like, hello, I haven't received your apology yet. And he's still talking.
Blame me. She doesn't connect.
And then he's still talking. He's still telling me that you disconnected the call.
No, you don't let me explain you what it is. You disconnect the call. That's what turns me. Oh, okay.
Okay. This is interesting. This is interesting. Which song reminds you of me?
We don't talk.
Seriously?
No. Cheerleader.
Ah, really?
Yes.
Why does it remind you?
You made me learn that song.
Ah, I did. Huh? Did I really? Which song reminds me of you is Malare song, Malayalam song.
Yes.
Because at one point I really tried to impress him and I tried to learn the lyrics and sing it for him, but फिर I failed miserably. I think 2 lines से आगे नहीं हो पाया. So that song reminds me of you. Describe me in 3 words. Quick.
Passionate, committed, hardworking.
Okay. हो गए 3 words. Yours will be like the best is patience, smart, and funny in a weird way. Like really weird. बहुत weird way. It's a compliment, huh? It's a compliment.
Yeah.
I didn't do that.
Yes.
No, I did not.
One of your makeups.
No. But see, but it's not the same color. My blush is pink and then.
Oh, I'm gonna go for Vida 91 like.
Nobody's gonna see. इतना बहुत minute है, नहीं दिखेगा.
Here.
Hello, मैंने ये और ये नहीं किया तेरा ये गंदा. Okay, Nikhil, this one you have to answer. At what point did you decide to make us official? Actually, we are making. I don't know what official is really, ना मतलब. I don't consider as a online posting official. Like you could be official for years, but not post about your private life.
Yeah, I was official from the day one. She wasn't.
Hello, you were not official from day one. You were not. I want to say 6 months in. 6 months in. Okay. And I think I'll end the video. By the way, guys, I don't think I even mentioned that he's a Malayali. I think the name gives away Nikhil Mohan. That's all, you guys. Now that you guys know him, you're going to see more of him in my videos. And yeah, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys in my next video. And let us know if you want more such videos, and agar yes, then what kind of videos should we film together? Let us know in the comment section below. And that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Insta right over here. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Bye bol. Bye.